Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing some Jordan 4 Thunders, size 9.5. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so opening the shoe, we got the shoe right here. Pretty nice quality. There's a Jumpman. Everything looks good about it. The suede back tab with the Jumpman looking nice, and flicks up right away, which is a good sign. And yeah, the netting goes with the shoe as it should. That's good. And this thing pops right back up, just like that, perfectly like normal. And yeah, this is just a really nice shoe. I think it could go well with a bunch of stuff. Some black and yellow fits, maybe some all black fits. But yeah, I feel like this would be pretty good to style with. And yeah, here's the shoe on foot. It looked nice with black socks, just like that. So you could see, pretty nice. Just a calm little shoe. Yeah, I would definitely recommend you pick these up. They're really clean. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.